What's going on, guys? It's your boy Velli Savage, and this is not an episode of Realize TV. I got something a little bit different for you. I got a game for us to play while we all sitting here stuck in quarantine with nothing else to do, talking to each other via Facebook, Snapchat, live stream. I came up with a game for people to occupy their time and potentially make some extra money. It's called the Velli Shuffle, and I'm gonna teach you how to play right now. I made this game myself, so don't be calling yourself trying to plagiarize. Just have fun, okay? Don't be like this guy.
You were just making it look like you were playing. You're a phony! Hey, this guy's a great big phony!
Yeah, he tried to steal my shit. Literally. Renaming and everything. Him. Love Monster. This guy. Anyway, let's get to it. First things first, you're gonna need a deck of playing cards. Just a regular old deck of playing cards. Ain't nothing silly going on with these. They're all just regular cards. Come on now. Okay, a regular deck of playing cards. You're also gonna need a dealer. It's a wager game, but we're gonna play for fun just so I can show you how it's done. So if I'm the dealer, right? I'm gonna deal out 5 cards. As the dealer, I'm gonna make these statements and ask these questions. I have 5 cards in my hand. You have 5 chances to guess what I have in my hand. Without naming suits, just numbers and face cards. 1 card at a time. What do I have in my hand? You, the player, are then gonna say something like, king. As the dealer, I will then say, I do have a king. I also have 4 cards and you have 4 chances. What do I have in my hand? You, the player, are then gonna say something like, 5. I'm then gonna say something like, I do have a 5. And you have 3 cards left and you have 3 chances. What's in my hand? You, the player, will then say something like 10. I do have a 10 in my hand. I have 2 cards left. You have 2 chances. What do I have in my hand? You, the player, are then gonna jump up in a happy dance, knowing that you pretty much beat the game, not realizing that you still have 2 chances left. Me as the dealer, I'm then gonna say, I have 2 cards left. You have 2 chances to guess what I have in my hand. What do I have in my hand? You as the player already excited about what's going on. You pick a number 7. Me as the dealer, I gotta be honest with you, and I will tell you, I do have a 7. You're then gonna do an even bigger happy dance. Turn down for what? And me as the dealer, I'm gonna notify you that I have 1 card left and that you have 1 chance to guess. What do I have in my hand? You, the player, will then say something like 3. Me as the dealer, I'll then have to break your heart and say, I'm sorry, it was an ace. But hold on 1 second. Like I told you in the beginning, this is a wager game, right? So let me explain the wager to you. It's fairly simple. The player's buy-in is always going to be $2. If the player can guess 3 cards correctly, the player wins $1 back. If the player can guess 4 cards correctly, the player gets $5 back. If the player gets all 5 correct, you must reward them with $10. As the dealer, you might win some, you might lose some. As a player, you're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. But it is a fair chance game. I hope you enjoy playing it. You can catch me playing this game on Meet Me. Whenever I go live, the game is already started. You want to wager? Come on in, stop by. Throw a couple champagne glasses, throw a couple teddy bears. We can bet cars, I don't care. I play this game on Meet Me frequently. I actually created it myself. This is where I started it. And Love Monster, you suck for trying to steal my game. Just know that. Oh yeah, real quick, don't forget to stay tuned in for Realize Season 2. It's starting in Libra season, so whenever Libra season starts, expect the first episode to be dropped in. The Velli Shuffle was brought to you in part by Realize TV. Enjoy the game.
Hey, this guy's a great big phony!